electronics that VDL TBP electronics assembles are used in complex products. Products for advanced applications in the precision sectors. These include Semicon and Analytics, Vision, Security and Space, Science and Health, Energy and Industry, and other market segments. To test their high-quality products at an early stage, customers demand rapidly available prototypes, PCBAs that are available quickly. Rapidly starting the manufacture of a new product demands a different production process. We have set up a fast prototyping process, which we use to supply rapid prototypes and acquire knowledge for volume production. This automated process fully meets our customers' demands.